dobre, good afternoon everyone. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So I'm a little bit late today to make a video because I've got so many things that to do at home and then to the place where I'm gonna open my business as well. So today I'm planning to take you to shopping. As usual, Monday is money day, so I'll take you to one of my favorite market that is close by our apartment, that is Rineki. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna shop today. Today is actually cloudy, 21 degree, and I think it's gonna be raining soon. But in front of me today there is a road construction. Basically, as you see, that there is no bus, no tram, because obviously they changed the road and make it better. This is sometimes what I told Damian, you know what your tax money is going maybe for this one, but in Bali you never know. The tourist tax, I don't know where to go. Okay, let's go to the market. So I plan to buy a fresh product in the market. Let's see, I'm coming a bit later today, but yeah, let's see what we gonna buy. Very nice. You see, it's gonna be raining soon. Oh, flower shop, jewelry shop, fresh strawberries, very nice. Tomatoes, strawberries, fresh veggies. Yes. Very nice. Strawberries. I think that today is strawberry season. Maybe I will buy 1 kg of strawberries later on. Look at this one. So many fresh product. Right. And then clothes shop. Plants. I plan to buy another flowers as well. Very nice flowers. Nice. Very nice. And then over there, another fresh product. Another shop with the vegetables, fresh products. Very nice. That one, Trukavska. This is a strawberry season. I think that I will buy strawberries later on. Look at this one. Very nice. Paragus, paragi. Truskavka. Another one. And so many fresh fruit product and flowers. I confused what I'm gonna buy. This one. Maybe I will buy this one. Okay. This one. Pomidor. Malinove. So many nice things. Maybe there. So many fresh product. I think that I will buy tomato, the fresh tomatoes. So nice. Let's go buy this one. Bought full kilograma, which means half kilogram of malinove, which means red tomatoes. I forgot to record myself how I bought it, but it's okay. so many fresh product. Yeah, and like this one, Truskavka. Very nice. So many nice things here. Yeah. Right. This strawberry. I feel like I want to buy this strawberry, the fresh one. I really like this flower. I want to buy this flower. 6 water each. So nice. This one. So beautiful flowers. Very nice. I bought Right, so I bought my flowers. 3 flowers cost me 18 zloty. I really like this flower. Once I was in botanical garden, and this one I think so many shop with the clothes. I think they're gonna close soon. And yeah, I really come to the market so late time, and in front of me is the fish shop, and this one piengkarnya means like a bread shop. And yeah, so another shop like this, and clothes, many nice products here. Also have a spices and salad shop just like this, pierogi, and then so many things, very nice. And meat shop, you can buy kielbasa, fresh meat, fresh chicken, so many things basically. And my favorite pastry shop, but I already bought a pastry today, so I didn't buy anything more. So yeah. And then Droop, another meat shop. Very nice. Right, so all my shopping today is about 18 for the flowers, 10 zloty for my strawberries, half kilogram, and then I bought around half kilogram of my tomato, cost me around 8 zloty. So 18 plus 18, it cost me around, this is how the people working to fix the road. So 18 plus 18, total cost of my shopping today 36 zloty. So from the Rinekesichki, go straight and turn left. This is beautiful clock tower in the front, and I think this one is a school. You see that the sign of the school. And yeah, we keep walking, and on the left there are many also housing area in Yesice district. Basically there are so many nice shops. This flower shop behind me. So nice. Now I will take you to the place where there are so many coffee shop, a restaurant. Look at this red brick building. I can hear the sound of the children. I think that, you know, the school here mostly built in the red brick building like this. Yes, I think that this one is the school area. As you see, this one Skowe Miesileche. It means school. Let's keep walking, and I'll show you around. It's very nice green area. Look at in the front. It's very nice mural art. Let's see. Wow, look at the blue sky, and look at this mural art. It's so beautiful. Wow, you see everywhere you go, it must be nice. Hello, nice beautiful mural. Oh, so cute. Very nice. You see what a beautiful nice mural art. So wherever you go, there must be, oh, look at this behind me again. This beautiful mural art, isn't it? Very nice. Yes, it is what I can say, that a very artistic district. Very nice. Look at this beautiful blue sky and the mural. Very nice. Beautiful. We were there before in the area of the mural art, and then I decided to turn left, and this area is famous for the restaurant. You see on the left there are already many nice restaurants, and then there Mokrawuska, Taleziki, coffee kitchen, coffee people, and then on the right Denata. Look at this one, it's very nice. Look at this mural art behind me. Looks so cool, isn't it? Very nice, artistic, what I can say. Okay, so now I would like to buy one coffee somewhere. Behind there is one nice coffee shop. So yeah, let's see. Very nice. Very nice, I really like it. So in front of me one nice coffee shop with the mural art like this. Very nice. And I think that this one also one coffee shop. Let's go inside. Very nice. I will go there. Let's see. So I'm in the area of a very nice Instagrammable restaurant. Basically, you see that's the Greek food, wine, and then another restaurant, and then very nice garden setup. I think that I will go somewhere there, sitting there maybe. I'm coming to one nice coffee shop here. I will buy a coffee, and look at this one, is very Instagrammable. Very nice. Hey, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you're so cute. Aw. This is a very dog-friendly pet. Here in Poland, there are so many dogs and many kinds of friendly dog like this. Look at you, buddy. And the place is just like this. Amazing. Actually, wherever you go, there are so many Instagram worthy and then pet friendly cafe like this. Very nice. So I've got this hot cappuccino and one pastel de nata, cost me about 21 zloty. So if you used to with the Canggu price, and look at you, buddy. So here it's just simply like very affordable. That's my new buddy, my new friend. I think that's all my video today, guys. I wanna enjoy my coffee like this and pastel. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Very nice.